Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I am headed into Target, so I'm inviting you to come with me. Let's go shopping. So they have these adorable little rain boots. These are actually little pots. They come in the dark green, the yellow, and the peach. A little bit of mud on the sole. They have a water outlet and they're $5 a piece, and you can hang them. They have a little opening in the back. I found some little trees. So this one is cherry blossom. They're both $5 a piece. This one's got the natural wood on the bottom. And I think they're the same height, but this one just looks a little shorter. The Easter egg tree just seems a little taller. You have to spread out the branches, and this one comes in a white base. So they have out some new dish towels for spring and Easter. This one with a little bit of blue trim, and it's with a little plaid, lots of bright colors. This one's adorable with the pink bunnies, and it's actually with a blue plaid with just a little bit of pink in it. And this one with a lot of peach, Happy Easter. It's got the little eggs, and the reverse is so pretty. It's all the Easter eggs in pastel. You guys know they're going to be $3 a piece. I also just found the little kitchen towels in this one, Welcome to Our Nest. These are sort of embroidered on, and it comes with a gray plaid and the carrots. Love you bunches. And that one's with a green. So they also have some new mesh wire baskets, kind of semicircles on the end. They have it in the copper, and my favorite in the black. Definitely looks like something you would find from like Hearth and Hand, and they are $5 a piece. So they have some new little pots out. Looks like they all have the same type of label, almost like leather. They have it in green and grow. They're $5. Oh, they actually have a hole for irrigation. That's really nice. They also have it in bloom, in peach, and in white, in basil. And my guess is these are probably right about 5 inches. So they've also gotten in some new gardening tools. These are all $3 a piece, and they're copper. Really, really pretty. I would feel a little guilty about getting that dirty. They have the rake and the shovel, and this one, which I'm guessing is for putting in tiny little buds, seedlings. They have the miniature tools for the succulent gardens. These are all just $1 a piece. They have this shovel that's a little more pointed. This one that's a little bit less. They have this one that's kind of a scoop, and the little rake. They're also putting out some adult gardening gloves. These are really cute in the gray and white stripe. They're $3 a piece. I love that little tag. And then they have them in the floral. And for $3, they have these new tins in a dark green and peach. These are actually little twine dispensers. So they have that one and this one. And they have these beautiful glass spritzers. So you guys know I've picked up one like this. I haven't been able to find them in all these colors though, so they do come in clear, green, and blue. And then just a few framed pieces new to me today. These are $3 frames. They have sayings in them, but I'm sure that you could easily swap these out for a photo. Love that one with the boho fringe, and the planked wooden would be a beautiful frame for farmhouse. And the crates have arrived. So these are really cute $5 items. This one is just wood finish, no text on it. It's my favorite. It's got 6 little cubbies, and these are little cubbies. This one in white with the word herbs on it, and then they have a darker version in Farm Fresh. So it looks like my store has gotten in the little key holders with the numbers in gold. Little metal hooks for $3 a piece. These are really cute. A few more framed pieces. The best time for new beginnings is now. These are $3 a piece. We have this one that's supposed to be hung horizontally. It's got the little teeth hanger at the top. And then back here, April showers bring May flowers. They also have the little post envelopes. These are all $3 a piece. These are really small. And a new little print. It's a good day to have a good day. $3 for that one. Couple of the new signs that I haven't seen yet. The bloom. This one's a really pretty pink. It's $3. And I showed you guys the home and family and the ampersand, but they have the welcome. Really cute planked wood. They have some new little trinket trays. These are itty bitty, teeny tiny. These have little sayings on them and patterns. They're $1 a piece. This is just the right size plate for an American Girl doll. Found a new table runner here today. This one matches the pillows we saw out first. No measurements, but it is a $3 item. And the main print is actually the arrows. It just has this portion on the sides. And then they have the woven baskets for $5 a piece. You can see that the tag matches the runner. And these are $5. This is the only size I found here today with the white at the bottom. I finally have been able to find the family sign in my Target dollar spot. This one's got gray edges for $3. And also for $3, they have these little wooden caddies as part of the children's gardening items, but they would be really cute in decor as well. And the lemons have finally made it. They're little ceramic lemons, limes, and oranges. They come in whole and half pieces for $1 a piece. They brought out a few new items over here, some new tote bags. These are all really light canvas. This one's khaki, this one's sort of a gray, and this one that's almost lavender has sort of a cork bottom, and they're all $5 a piece. They also have a few new little zipper pouches. These are $3 a piece that coordinate with the totes. So I found it in the khaki and in pink with the cork bottom. They have the little spa gift sets. These are in sort of the wellness area. They have it in pink in relax, me time in purple, and white in dream. They also have some of the wooden brushes. These are all $3 a piece. And they did a little set of $3 cosmetic brushes with the little wooden handles. This caught my eye. You don't often see books over in Dollar Spot. I think this one is part of their spa wellness stuff. They have these massive bags, you guys. So they're kind of like a grid pattern, but they are lined on the inside. They've got it in gray. These are all $7 a piece. They're just massive totes. Gray, blue, black, and white. So they also did the little cosmetics bags in the same print, in the same colors. These are $3 a piece. And then they did the little train cases, also the same colors. These are just little handled bags. I think these are the perfect little makeup bag. These are $5. They have all kinds of scarves out. This one's really cute. It's got all kinds of little ice cream on it. This sort of gauzy style in the blue, the white, and they have it in peach. And then they've got this one with the little blue tassels. These are all infinity and they're $3. Rooting around in the hats, and I found another one of their little scarves. This one in the watermelon. They also have this one that's a really pretty stripe. Next to the scarves, they have a bunch of sunglasses for $3. A bunch of different styles. This one's kind of like rose gold. We've got aviators. So I've showed you guys all of the summer hats before, but it looks like they're coming out with a few different versions. These are like little rolled edge hats, perfect for summer. They have it in the natural, in this one that I think is adorable. I love the little band on it. These are all $5 a piece, and they have it in the darker version. These are really fun little tattoo sleeves. These are $3 a piece. They also have it with the pot of gold and the rainbow. And this is a lot of fun. This is a little leprechaun trap, so you don't even have to build your own. It comes with stickers and rainbow paper that you can lay out. And it's $3. So St. Patty's Day is right around the corner, and I've been waiting to see the Bullseye's Playground put out more decor like they did in the last 2 years, but I haven't found any. Just some wearable items and some novelty things like these fanny packs for $3. They're clear with a little Happy St. Patrick's Day version, as well as the shamrocks. Now they did put out some string lights. These are $3 a piece. They have the shamrocks, the little flags, as well as the rainbows and leprechauns. But that's pretty much it when it comes to decor. A couple little banners. I saw some dish towels at a different Target, but they do have some really cute headwear. These hats are super cute for $5. Including this one with a bottle opener on it. They also have a lot of little hats for $3, like these felt leprechaun style. They have a few fedoras, so this one in the sequins. These are $5 a piece. They also have them in gold. And socks, which I think are the perfect way for the kids to add a little green to their outfit. The socks are $1 a piece, and they have some really cute suspenders for $3. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Dollar Spot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.